In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find indicators on Tradingview. By the end, you'll confidently open a chart, search for any indicator by name, and add it to your Tradingview chart for analysis. First, open Tradingview. In your web browser, go to tradingview.com. Wait for the home page to load fully. If you land directly on a chart from a previous session, that's fine. You can continue from there. If not, we'll open a chart now. Next, open a chart. On the top navigation bar, click Chart. A chart workspace will open with a default symbol. This is the main view where you'll add and manage your indicators. Give it a second to load the candles and the toolbar across the top. Now, click Indicators on the top toolbar. You'll see an Indicators button near the top of the screen. Click it once. This opens the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel. If your window is smaller, the panel may overlay the chart. That's normal. Keep the focus on the panel that just appeared. From here, use the search bar to type the indicator name. Click inside the search field at the top of the panel and start typing the exact name of the indicator you want. As you type, results will appear below. You'll see matches grouped by category, such as built-in indicators or community scripts. If you're not sure of the exact wording, type a keyword. Results update in real time. Check the names carefully to ensure you're selecting the correct indicator, especially if there are multiple versions with similar titles. Once that's done, click the indicator to add. A single click on the indicator's name adds it to your chart immediately. Watch the chart. If the indicator is an overlay, it appears directly on the price chart. If it's an oscillator, it opens in a new pane below. You'll also see the indicator's name appear in the chart's legend area, confirming it's active. If you click the same indicator again by mistake, it may add a duplicate. Don't worry, only one click is needed to add it once. At this point, you found the indicator using the search bar and successfully added it to the chart. If you need to find another indicator, repeat the same process. Open the Indicators panel if it's closed, type the next name into the search bar, and click it to add. The chart updates instantly each time so you can see the effect right away. If your search returns many results, scroll through the list and look for the exact title you need. Pay attention to capitalization and spacing when typing the name, as it helps narrow the results quickly. If no results appear, clear the search field and retype slowly to avoid typos. The search is fast, so you'll know within a second if the indicator is available. When you're done, you can close the Indicators panel to return to a full chart view. The indicators you added remain applied and visible on the chart. You can continue analyzing price action with your chosen tools in place. That's it. You've opened Tradingview, loaded a chart, used the search bar to find an indicator by name, and clicked to add it to your chart. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.